brainYs presents
Grade 6 Math Quiz B, Part 1. Welcome back to another super fun math adventure. Are you ready to exercise that big, beautiful brain of yours? Today, we have 20 math questions. Here is how it works. I will read the question, give you 30 seconds to solve it, and then I'll explain the answer. Let's go! Question number 1. What is 25% of 640? A. 120. B. 160. C. 180. D. 200.
Time's up. The correct option is
B. 160. Here's why. 25% is equivalent to the fraction 1/4. To find 25% of 640, calculate 1/4 times 640, which is 640 divided by 4, equaling 160. Question number 2. Round the number 12.3 for 86 to the nearest thousandth. A. 12.34. B. 12.35. C. 12.3 for 8. D. 12.3 for 9.
Time's up. The correct option is
D. 12.3 for 9. Here's why. The digit in the thousands place is 8. The next digit, 10 thousandths, is 6. Since 6 is greater than or equal to 5, round up the 8 to 9. Result, 12.3 for 9. Question number 3. What is the smallest digit that can be placed in the blank of the number 83,400 blank 6 to make it divisible by both 3 and 4? A. 1. B. 3. C. 5. D. 9.
Time's up. The correct option is
B. 3. Here's why. To be divisible by 4, the last digits, 6, must be divisible by 4. Possible digits, 1 resulting in 16, 3 resulting in 36, 5 resulting in 56, 7 resulting in 76, or 9 resulting in 96. To be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. Sum equals 8 plus 3 plus for plus blank plus 6, which is 21 plus blank. Since 21 is divisible by 3, the blank must be a multiple of 3, 0, 3, 6, or 9. The common digits are 3 and 9. The smallest is 3. Question number 4. The average of 4 numbers is 28. If 3 of the numbers are 15, 32, and 25, what is the 4th number? A. 28. B. 35. C. 40. D. 42.
Time's up. The correct option is
C. 40. Here's why. Total sum equals 28 times 4, which is 112. Sum of three numbers equals 15 plus 32 plus 25, which is 72. Fourth number equals 112 minus 72, which is 40. Question number 5. Solve for n minus 7 equals 21. A. 3.5. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7.
Time's up. The correct option is
D. 7. Here's why. Add 7 to both sides. For n equals 28. Divide by 4, n equals 7. Question number 6. Leo spent 1/4 of his money on a book and 3/5 of the remainder on a toy. If he had $120 left, how much money did he have at first? A. $400. B. $480. C. $500. D. $600.
Time's up. The correct option is
A. $400. Here's why. $120 represents the quantity of 1 minus 3/5, which is 2/5 of the remainder. Remainder equals 120 divided by 2/5, which is 300. This $300 represents the quantity of 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4 of the original. Original equals 300 divided by 3/4, which is $400. Question number 7. A gadget has a tag price of $20,000. It has a 20% discount and an additional 10% discount on the discounted price if paid in cash. What is the final cash price? A. $14,000. B. $14,400. C. $15,000. D. $16,000.
Time's up. The correct option is
B. $14,400. Here's why. First discount. 20% of 20,000 is 4,000. New price equals 16,000. Second discount. 10% of 16,000 is 1,600. Final price equals 16,000 minus 1,600, which is $14,400. Question number 8. A box contains 5 red, 7 blue, and 8 green chips. If 2 chips are drawn without replacement, what is the probability both are red? A. 1/4. B. 1/19. C. 5/38. D. 25/400.
Time's up. The correct option is
B. 1 over 19. Here's why: total equals 20, probability of red first equals 5/20. Probability of red second equals 4/19. Probability of both equals 5/20 times 4/19, which is 1/4 times 4/19, totaling 1/19. Question number 9. $24,000 is divided among Ben and Chris in a ratio of 3 to 5 to 7. How much more money did Chris receive than Anna? A. $1,600. B. $3,200. C. $4,800. D. $6,400.
Time's up. The correct option is
D. $6,400. Here's why: total parts equals 15. One part equals 24,000 divided by 15, which is 1,600. Chris has 7 parts, Anna has 3 parts, difference equals for parts. For times 1,600 equals $6,400. Question number 10. The average height of 6 boys is 150 centimeters. If a 7th boy joins, the new average is 152 centimeters. What is the height of the 7th boy? A. 152 centimeters. B. 158 centimeters. C. 162 centimeters. D. 164 centimeters.
Time's up. The correct option is
D. 164 centimeters. Here's why: old sum equals 6 times 150, which is 900. New sum equals 7 times 152, which is 1,064. 7th boy equals 1,064 minus 900, which is 164 centimeters. Whoa, you are halfway there. You are doing such a great job exercising your brain. Shake out your hands, take a deep breath, and let's get ready for the next round. You've got this. Question number 11. Which is the largest fraction? A. 7 over 8. B. 13 over 15. C. 17 over 20. D. 5 over 6.
Time's up. The correct option is
A. 7 over 8. Here's why: convert to decimals or a common denominator: 120. 7/8 equals 0.875. Minus 1/15 is approximately 0.866. 17/20 equals 0.85. 5/6 is approximately 0.833. The largest is 7/8. Question number 12. If A equals 3 and B equals -2, Evaluate the expression to a squared minus 3ab plus b squared. A. 12, b. 28, c. 36, d. 40.
Time's up. The correct option is
D. 40. Here's why. Substitute values to times the quantity of 3 squared minus 3 times negative 2 plus the quantity of negative 2 squared. This equals to times 9 minus negative 18 plus 4, which is 18 plus 4, totaling 40. Question number 13. Two dice are rolled. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers shown is 9? A. 1 over 6, B. 1 over 9, C. 1 over 12, D. For over 9.
Time's up. The correct option is
B. 1 over 9. Here's why. Total outcomes equals 6 times 6, which is 36. Pairs summing to 9, 3 and 6, 4 and 5, 5 and 4, or 6 and 3. There are 4 pairs. Probability equals 4/36, which is 1/9. Question number 14. A book has 300 pages. How many times does the digit 1 appear in the page numbers? A. 150, B. 160, C. 162, D. 176.
Time's up. The correct option is
B. 160. Here's why. Units place 1, 11, and so on up to 291, which occurs 30 times. Tens place 10 to 19, 110 to 119, and 210 to 219, occurring 30 times. Hundreds place 100 to 199, which is 100 times. Total equals 30 plus 100, totaling 160. Question number 15. If x plus y equals 12 and x minus y equals 4, what is the value of x squared minus y squared? A. 16, B. 32, C. 48, D. 144.
Time's up. The correct option is
C. 48. Here's why. X squared minus y squared is a difference of squares, which factors to the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x minus y. Substitute given values. 12 times 4 equals 48. Question number 16. Find the value of un if 2 to the power of un plus 2 equals 64. A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6.
Time's up. The correct option is
B. 4. Here's why 64 can be written as 2 to the 6th power. So 2 to the n plus 2 power equals to the 6th power. Equating exponents, n plus 2 equals 6, therefore n equals 4. Question number 17. A solid cube has a total surface area of 150 square centimeters. What is its volume? A. 25 cubic centimeters. B. 64 cubic centimeters. C. 100 cubic centimeters. D. 125 cubic centimeters.
Time's up. The correct option is
D. 125 cubic centimeters. Here's why surface area of a cube equals 6 times the side squared. 150 equals 6s squared, which means 25 equals s squared, so s equals 5. Volume equals s cubed, which is 5 cubed, equaling 125 cubic centimeters. Question number 18. The sum of two numbers is 45 and their difference is 9. What is the larger number? A. 18, B. 25, C. 27, D. 36.
Time's up. The correct option is
C. 27. Here's why. Let x and y be the numbers. X plus y equals 45 and x minus y equals 9. Adding the equations to x equals 54, x equals 27. Question number 19. If A to B equals to 2, 3, and B to C equals 4 to 5, what is the ratio A to C? A. 2 to 5, B. 8 to 15. C. 6 to 15, D. 8 to 5.
Time's up. The correct option is
B. 8 to 15. Here's why. To merge the ratios, make the B term equal. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Multiply the first ratio by 4, giving 8 to 12, and the second by 3, giving 12 to 15. A 2B to C equals 8 to 12 to 15, so a 2C equals 8 to 15. Question number 20. If 2x minus 3y equals 10 and x equals 4, What is the value of y? A. -2 over 3, B. -1, C. 2 over 3, D. 1.
Time's up. The correct option is
A. -2 over 3. Here's why. Substitute x equals 4 to times for minus 3y equals 10. 8 minus 3y equals 10. -3y equals 2. Y equals -2/3. Great job, brainYs champions. How many points did you get? Tell us your score in the comments. If you did great, awesome, you are a math superstar. If it was tricky, don't worry. Keep watching brainYs and you'll keep getting better. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Watch more brainYs videos.